Today we are looking at taking away using the upstairs downstairs method, and to do that we're going to have to exchange, or as we talked about in class, go over to our neighbour's house. So first up, let's start with our sum. So I'll write in tens and units to begin with, just to keep me right. Under that we'll write the two numbers that have to be taken away. So we have 74 and 58, which we are taking away, and there's our space for our answer there. So we'll start with the units as we always do. We have 4 here and we have to take away 8. Now for most of you that are watching, you'll be remembering that when we have to take a bigger number away from a smaller number, we can't do it. As in, if we only had 4 sweets and we had to take away 8 from it, we couldn't do it because there's not enough sweets there. So what we will have to do is we will have to go from our house here, which is the units, to our neighbour's house, which is our tens. And we're going to have to take away one of our tens and bring it back over to our house. So that looks like this. We're going to take our 7 tens and change it to 6 tens, and take that wee spare 10 over to our units. So now we don't have just 4 units, we have 4 units and 1 10, which is 14. And when we do 14 take away 8, that does give us an answer that we can do. Then, to finish off our sum, we'll go back over to our tens column, and instead of 7 take away 5, we've now only got 6. So 6 take away 5 is 1, meaning our answer will be 16. Sorry boys and girls, had to pause the video there because the postman arrived. So, moving on from just tens and units, we're going to look at hundreds, with a pen that works, hundreds, tens and units, which is done in the exact same way. So we'll start with a number, and this time we'll go for number 809, and we're taking away 100, and let's go for 54. So 809 take away 154. Exact same way as we would do for our tens, we'll start with our units. So 9 units take away 4 units will give us 5 units. Easy and nice and straightforward. However, when we move to our tens column, we see that we've got 0 tens here, and we're trying to take away 5 tens from that, which we can't do because you can't take 5 away from nothing. So instead, we're going to have to go to our neighbour's house. Let's hope they are in, which they are. And we'll take one of our hundreds this time, because it's not just tens, hundreds. So we'll leave them with 7. And we'll take our 100 across here to give us 0 tens and 100. So our sum is, what is 100 now, take away 50, because 5 tens is 50. So 10 take away 5 gives us 5, right there. Ooh, pen struggling. And when we go back over to our hundreds column now to finish off our sum, we had 8 before, now we've only got 7. So 7 take away 1 gives us 6. So our answer is 655.